Choosing the right wood moisture meter is essential for project success. But which Wagner meters model is the best fit for you? Let's compare the Orion series and the new L5300 industrial handheld wood moisture meter. The Orion Pinless Wood Moisture Meters are designed for woodworkers, furniture makers, flooring installers, and more. These meters provide fast, accurate, non-destructive moisture readings, protecting your projects from warping, cracking, or installation failures. If you're a flooring installer, the Orion 950 has Bluetooth and works with the free FloorSmart app, allowing you to receive and record moisture data, set specifications for separate jobs, wood materials, and more. Woodworkers, on the other hand, love using the Orion 950 with our free Woodshop MC app to prevent costly mistakes and project failures. The Orion 950 also includes an ambient condition sensor, automatic EMC calculations, and a dual depth selection of 1/4 inch or 3/4 inch, making it the most feature-packed Orion model. Don't need to streamline your workflow with the additional Orion 950 features? Find the perfect Orion model for you. For sawmill and wood manufacturing professionals, the L5300 industrial handheld moisture meter is built just for you. Its rugged design, histogram readings, and 1-inch measurement depth provide deeper readings than Orion moisture meters. Perfect for assessing your thicker wood. The L5300 comes with WoodStat Pro software for Windows, enabling advanced moisture tracking and in-depth data analysis, perfect for sawmills and large-scale wood production. Effortlessly monitor moisture levels, generate detailed reports, and streamline quality control, all in one powerful tool. And for those working with stickered stacks of lumber, the L5300 pairs seamlessly with Wagner's L722 lumber stack probe, allowing you to detect hidden moisture deep within stacks. Need a fast, accurate moisture meter for woodworking, flooring, or on the go? The Orion series is your go-to. Working with thicker wood in sawmills or manufacturing, the L5300 is built for industrial use. No matter your industry, Wagner Meters has the perfect moisture meter for you. Find your perfect fit. Shop now at wagnermeters.com.